The economy is doing wonderfully well. So today I'm gonna raise this 51 cent account. I'm gonna help this person raise it back up to 3,000 or even more if I can. So without wasting time, I'm gonna start by identifying my areas of confluence. That way I will know where the market is currently playing game at. So putting my bottom trend line and my front trend line, it is clear that the candles have made two touches on the front, on the top trend line rather, and 3 or more on the bottom trend line. So this is good because we know that the market will definitely respect our trend line. So when identifying your regions, kindly use 2 or more candles, making sure that they touch each trend line. So identifying my areas, I have set the arrow to down because this is a bearish flag. So this is the 51 cent. Unfortunately, it cannot accommodate a lot, but with sniper entries, you definitely get the hang of it and it will definitely rise by the bit. So currently it has followed the direction, it has respected the trend going down. So here's the profit. We only made about $1 using the minute 5 time frame. Since the account is small, we cannot afford to stay in the market for too long because we want to raise this account as fast as we can. Chop, eh? This account's owner has been told by the brokers to chop price, because unfortunately he wanted to start with the meat, but as we all know, you start by chopping the rice. You chop price. So on the second entry, we're going to identify another region again, and throughout we're going to be using trend lines. So for your learning purposes, you might want to carefully study the patterns as well. If you check here, the bottom trend line is made about 4. The candles is touched the bottom trend line 4 times, and the top one is touched, I think, 4 times again, 4 to 3 times. So this is good because it increases the accuracy, and you definitely know that the market will definitely respect it. But in this flag, it is different than from the one that we have done before. The one before was a bearish flag, and this one is a bullish flag because it's going up, down, up. So in other terms, I'm going to release another video where I explain these terms. So if anything you would want for me to simplify, you just give me this description in the comment section. So right now we are in $3. I'm using sharp entries only because we can't afford for it to reverse even a single bit. I will blow the account and we'll go back to 0. And we do not want to do a shit job here. We just want to complete this thing once and for all. Please take into note that this does not take a few minutes to complete. It might take days, it might take weeks, it might take hours. So depending with the market conditions, and depending with the conditions it gives you. So from $3 we have add another bullish flag. So from this bullish flag, definitely it will follow the second leg direction. So we are using 0.01 lots, increasing the lot as we go, because we want to reach the goal faster. So if the account goes a bit high, we'll increase the lots a bit more, but taking into consideration that we don't overdo the lot such that reversals will not pull us down. We have got another bullish trend as well. Do take into consideration again that the trend line has got 3 or more candles touching it for higher accuracy purposes. So when you identify your area of confluence, you would see that here it has reached the top liquidity. So now it has to go back, so following the trend. So in the trend, it's going like a ladder, up down until it breaks the trend line. Then we do another plan. So without wasting time, I'm sure you have seen that it went down, but I was a little bit too late that it started to reverse a bit. I lost a little bit of profits, but from 9 we are in $10. We're in $10. So this is good. This is definitely good. We're identifying our flags. This one has got even more points touching the trend lines, so definitely know that our trend will be definitely mostly respected, and the economy would definitely go well. So here in drift switch index, so when you have a derivative account, I'll put the link in the description. It means that when you have the standard derivative account, you can trade forex pairs and synthetic pairs in just one account without switching accounts, going to this one and this one. So that one is good for convenience. It's good for convenience as you have all the stuff in one area. So we have identified our sell right here, and as you can see that it already respected the trend by going down. Sharpest entry, sharp entry, sharp entry, guys. So this means that it's good for the health of our account. From $10 we are going bit by bit. We are now in $12. So by trading like this, you just look out for that one entry that will blow up the account and take it to the moon. If you check right here, I've just switched from drift 20 index to gold USD. This is the advantage you get from a derivative account. I'm not advertising, but for your own information, I'm just showing you that using a derivative account will make you save time and trade more. So the reason why I like gold, it's one of my favorite because it raises your account much quicker than most of these stuff do. But we all know what it will do to your account. It will chop rice to your account. This gold USD, it will chop. So here I've identified our trend again, and it is within our limits that when we set the trend lines, we definitely know if it's a buy or if it's a sell. So here it's a bullish flag, and it has been breaking the trend line and going back. So here I've identified that it's no longer coming back down, but it's gonna break going above and beyond. If it's gonna come, it will come back later, but definitely not on this entry. So as I have said, it broke the trend line, tried to come back, went back up and came back again. Unfortunately, it's trying to come. So from $12.75, we are in almost $30, guys. Raising the account, this client's account, you're raising the account. So the goal is anything above $3,001. That would mean $1 profit for the client. So that is good. So here we are in platinum. We're trading platinum. So we identified another trend. Now we are setting up our trend line. This one is a bearish flag. It's coming from above, going below. So what will you identify it is, since it's in the trend line, it's going up and down, it's not ready to break. It hasn't been breaking the trend line, so definitely it will go back up. Hey, look at the spread where it's through the spread, guys. I don't like this at all, but nevertheless, boom, would always make it out alive, guys. So from this one, we're gonna close our trade, and we're gonna open to more trades. We're in the jungle, and we're gonna make sure that we're gonna get a lot. Guys. So speaking of Valentine's, are you guys ready? You guys haven't been trading. I've given you the bot. Are you using it to get your Valentine money? Do get those ladies of yours something nice for Valentine's. It's not every day that you should just suffer. Get those guys something nice. Okay. So here we've got another we've got another trend again. This one is bearish, but from the bearish it's within the flag, so it's gonna circle within the flags. So since it has reached the bottom liquidity, it's definitely gonna go on the top. So we're gonna put 0.05 or lot, but I think we should add more because volatility 25 1 seconds is a bit too volatile. So for $43 we went to 123, $80 profit, $80 profit. So this is good, this is good, this is good. Or even going to 90, going to 90. Let's go, let's go. $1 more. Yes, 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 baba. Yes, baba. Let's baba. Let's go, let's go. So this shouldn't be hard, this shouldn't be hard. Nice and steady, nice and steady. You shouldn't rush your trades. If you have nothing to trade, don't take the trade. Just wait until you have that perfect entry. So here we're gonna close our trade, and when we do, we are gonna find more. I'm gonna find more of our trades. So subscribe to my channel. I promise you from now I'm gonna be more and more consistent, guys, giving you quality content and help and mentorship and signals, whichever you want. I'm going to put the link to the Telegram channel. So this one is backup channel for the main channel, Sagex. So kindly do tell a friend to come and subscribe. I'll be giving you different content than I do give you on the other side, such that it will be diversified, such that each channel has a unique value. Okay, so subscribe to that button, put your comments, I'll be waiting. So without even explaining, I'm sure you have been looking at what I've been doing lately. From trend to trend, I haven't been complicating my charts with ridiculous patterns and ridiculous things. Some of you do technical drawing on your charts. Like, how do you even see then after you do all that technical graphics drawing on your chart? You need to cut that shit out, guys. Nice and clean, on a clean slate. You can do your trades on a clean slate if you know what you're doing. So we're on the minute 15 time frame because I've got a problem with the minute 1 time frame. The moment I put my trades, I forget that I've placed my trades. Maybe I am buttering my bread. The moment you butter the second slice, 1 minute is already over, and the position is already double what you left it. The distance, it has already gone to the rural areas of your account. So I don't like to use minute 1 unless I'm looking at the charts until it makes it. I usually use minute 5 and minute 15, but if the account is too small, I'll just stick to minute 1. So here in gold USD, I'm back again in gold USD. So for those again that have confusion why this account has got gold USD and also has got synthetic pay, it's a derivative account. A derivative account has got both in just one account. That is the only account, the only broker that offers that kind of thing anyways. So here we should close our profits, and if you see that top thing that looks like a hammerhead, that looks like an X, like Thor's X, it's another bullish flag again. If you enter another buy, you'd be profitable. But unfortunately I lost the footage from $455, and I only got it, I don't know how I placed it. I think I'll try to find it. I'll show you in the next video if I find it, or maybe I deleted it by mistake. So this is why my next entry jumps from 455 to 600 and something. So I've identified another one in jump 10. Jump 10 is not that volatile, but it can jump your account, so you be careful with it. We've got another bullish trend here, another bullish trend. So definitely a bullish trend in the end will always be respected. So I won't waste my time here. I'll just put my lot sizes. I'll put a lot here. I'll put a lot because I want to change now. I want to change the account into something. Sometimes when you're raising account, you even blow 6 to 7 times, going back and forth until it's time to quit or try again another day. And as for other clients, it goes even bad, and then I'll tell them I couldn't raise the 50 cents. I'm sorry. It happens in forex trading. So, but it's not always the time. I do giveaways, and I'm planning to do more giveaways for you guys. So just reach out to me in the comment section, and I'll pick. So as I have said that the bullish trend will always be respected. There you go. There's your respect. Now the market is going to chop price. So from jump 10, as I've told you that it will jump your account from 624, we are in 4,060 something ranging. So I've got another position. You still remember I told you about the gold that if you buy that Thor's hammer, it will still respect. Yes, I placed a small lot there. Sorry, it's not small. 0.3 is not small. I placed my suitable lot for the account in hopes that it will go up, and definitely it will, because it was a bullish trend. So if you haven't seen it, go back and listen to the part where I have pointing that these Thor's hammers, what. Yes, that was another trend there which I had identified within another trade that I've done. So if you can see, this account is trading gold, it's also trading synthetics at the same time. So that's what derivative accounts do. Subscribe to this channel, guys. If I reach 10k, I'm doing more giveaways. In fact, I'm going to do giveaway after this video again. So I'm gonna leave this position as it was midnight. Apparently gold closes at midnight and then opens in the morning again. I didn't know why, and it wasn't even weekend. So if you check here, the client had deposited 3,000 and lost it all. So I've managed to recover. Adding 1,000 on top. But now I've got only one position left that I have to close so that I can sign this off with my client. This one. So in the minute 5 time frame, if you check, it's now $263. So we're now 4.345. This is good for the account, guys. This is good. We are no longer chopping rice. So as we await for this, I'll close our position and I'll call it a day. Until next time, guys, I'll be waiting for you.